We are pleased to announce the appointment as head coach Simon Raiwalui. As you know, he's currently the GM for rugby, high performance rugby in Fiji, and he's now been selected as the head coach of Flying Fijians for the balance of this year. Following Dwayne Cotter's resignation, we advertised the position. We interviewed we shortlisted two candidates, and we went through the interviews, the full board, and we came up with after a long debate last night, we then agreed that Simon would be given the nod. Simon will, as you are aware, his contract as the GM High Performance expires at the end of this year, and Simon will move into this role immediately, and that is to take coach the Flying Fijians in all their test matches this year, and to the World Cup in Europe in September, October this year. Simon is not a new face in Fiji. He's been involved in Fiji rugby. He represented Fiji, played for 10 years. He's played in Europe for 10 years, and he's coached for 11 years. His last coaching stint was as an assistant coach of the Wallabies. So he has a great amount of experience, and the board is absolutely confident in his capabilities, and we are giving him our full support.
I've been invested in rugby since I was 20, Fiji rugby since I was 22 when I first came over and played for Fiji. I'm obviously representing the country, being on the captain of the country, and now going on to coach the Flying Fijians is a huge honour for me. It's obviously a very short runway. We've just got under 7 months to go to the Rugby World Cup, so we've got a lot of work to do. I think one of the biggest things for us is reconnecting with the people, reconnecting with Fiji. Our Flying Fijians is the pinnacle team here in Fiji, and we must be the team of the people. So my job is to give direction to the staff and a purpose to the players. So when we come back and wear that white jersey, it's the most important thing. So once again, thank you very much for the confidence. Yeah, really looking forward to getting stuck in and getting on with the job.